Wait for me. Mama's not done yet. Okay, look at me. Look at me. Hi.
I will make a small, big letter T.
Okay. Good job. How about a big letter E? Good girl. How about a small letter G? How about a C? How about an F?
A big letter F.
H. L.
Oops.
How about A? An inverted A again. How about B? What's that? What else can you make?
Oh.
Oh, okay, O. Letter O.
A D.
Oh, is that a D?
Yeah.
Okay. What else?
Oh.
J. Another reverse. How about a smaller I? How about an M? M. Another reverse M. Okay.